Graham here with Dispatch Plumbing. We're out here in beautiful Port Coquitlam, British Columbia. We're installing some track pipe underground gas tubing, running this for a fire pit. We're going to take some black iron down the house and then we drop underground. We're going to use this new product. This is rated for direct burial. It's corrugated stainless steel tubing with this black underground approved jacket. We're going to run this from the back corner of the house all the way out to where they want their new fire pit installed. Let's show you how it's done. It's actually really thick. It's almost like a polyethylene tubing. How thick that is. Direct burial approved. Here's the fitting. This is a vent for underground jacketed pipe. Pretty cool. Installation instructions with this sweet pipe sizing guide. Pick your length of footage up here. We're going 100. Then you go down to your pressure. We're using this chart here. 1/2 inch, 275,000 BTUs. Bingo, boys, it's that easy. The action on the kid. I got the easy job. Rigid 300. We're gonna tie into the gas meter here. Shut off here, 90 here. Up here, we're gonna paint this white. We're gonna go up past the fascia right along the top, all in black iron. Paint that gray. All the way along here to the backyard. And we're gonna drop down here, beside this piece of siding. Over, shut off, drop down here, into the track pipe, thanks to Equipco and Pacific Clean Air. We got this direct burial, and they could put these pavers down. And then we've got this connection here. Fire pit will go here, sit here, drinking a soda around the fire pit. Lee cranking it up, getting ready to do the black iron. We've been cutting it like with the hacksaw. For rough cut. And for the corrugated steel, we've been using the hex cutters. Be gentle, you don't want to damage the stainless, that's where it holds the gas line. I've been using the knife. Side like this. Be very careful here. Very gentle, very delicate. Spin it a lot and only turn the knob a quarter turn. Wow, a 1/16 of a turn. Baby turns, baby turns. They mail it after there. Cold flare goes along there. Slide this bad boy on there. There's a rubber O-ring that makes a seal with the sleeving. Now we've got 1.5 inches there. Double check so I don't cut myself again. Bingo, boys. Now we're gonna take this connector, shove it on there, push it past the rubber O-ring. Now we've got 1 ring corrugation there. Now we can get the split ring on. It's my problem on the last one. The reason I cut my hand is because I didn't have quite 1.5 inches on there. There we go. Put the ring on the last corrugation. This is like a flare adapter right there. Cold flare though inside. That's what I keep saying. That guy back out there like so. Oh yeah, boys, getting her going. And you just crank that sucker up there. 42 pounds of torque pressure, they say. It's around 42 pounds of weight, and that's that. You got another wrench for me there, big doggy? Quicksilver? 5 packs. 42 pounds. There we go. Hi, Mom. So we've cut off the top layer of the rubber sleeving. It was a little bit difficult, but because it's so thick to be rated for underground burial, did it with a knife and some poly cutters. Then you want to measure 1.5 inches down from your sleeve to your end of your corrugation. We're using some Milwaukee copper cutters with a standard blade. You just want to be very delicate with these, very small amount of spins so that you don't damage the pipe. It's a cold flare, so it's internal connection, and it is similar to like a copper flare, but with stainless steel. And instead of the flaring going out, the cold flare, the pipe goes inside. So you're just turning this a lot of times before you actually tighten it, just to take real care, baby it. Just gotta baby it. Oh, there we go. So this is what you want to see. No bevels or burrs. Nice, clean, smooth cut. That's why you just want to take it real slow and only spin the wheel to tighten the cutters. Very, very small amount. So then we're gonna grab our outdoor underground connector. It's my favorite part here. Got the split ring. Split ring there. Connector there. Outdoor connector there. Slide that bad boy down there. Oh, there we go. Take the split ring, and we are going to put it on the last corrugation, like so. Cold flare happens right there, on the face of that, to the inside of that. Pop that bad boy right there. Crank these suckers. We got the Lee's favorite tool, Nipex pliers. And is this where?
Quicksilver.
Quicksilver, okay. Oh, okay. This? I feel like a rookie. Here we go. What did it say on there? 42 pounds of torque?
Yeah.
42 pounds of torque, which is like me lifting a 42 pound weight. So it's very easy for me, more difficult for other people. Smash pliers. We're gonna need to get Lexi just editing on this one. It's painful. Feels like 42 pounds. Okay, so we got that done there. So it does have the vent option. We're gonna leave that in here, but there's a air barrier between the corrugation and the sleeve, so you can open that out if there was a leak. The gas wouldn't build up underground, it would come out there. Cool option, requirement in some local codes, but not required to have the vent here, but still pretty sweet. So, slide this sucker back down there. Bingo, baby.